Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup ZFS datasets on VPS using ZFS send step by step clearly. To begin backing up ZFS datasets using the ZFS send command, ensure you have access to your VPS. Log into your VPS using SSH. Identify the dataset you wish to back up with the command ZFS list. Decide on a destination for the backup, such as another server or a local disk. Make sure the destination is accessible from the VPS. For the backup process, you'll need to initiate a snapshot of the dataset. Use the command ZFS snapshot dataset_name at snapshot_name to create the snapshot. Replace dataset_name with the name of your dataset. Replace snapshot_name with a descriptive name for the snapshot. Now, prepare to send the snapshot using ZFS send. Run the command ZFS send dataset_name at snapshot_name /path/to/backup/file. This command will send the snapshot to a specified file path. To send the backup to another server, use the command ZFS send dataset_name at snapshot_name ssh user at replace user at remote_server with the appropriate username and server address. Verify that the backup file is created successfully. Monitor the process to ensure it completes without errors. If you're planning to backup incrementally in the future, keep track of the last snapshot that was sent. Use ZFS list T snapshot to see the list of snapshots on your dataset. To manage disk space, consider removing older snapshots after confirming the backups are secure. Use the command ZFS destroy dataset_name at snapshot_name to delete snapshots you no longer need. Regularly schedule backups for your datasets to maintain data integrity. Always test your backup process to ensure that it works correctly. This concludes the step-by-step guide on backing up ZFS datasets using ZFS send. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.